Winter Wonder Journey Part 2. Alright. I got my pizza. That's right. Are you checking your hair?
What?
Are you checking your hair? Yep. No.
Sorry, I'm making that fucking burrito, sorry. Cody,
Yeah.
every time I hang out with you, you end up eating.
I love eating though.
So do I.
Eating makes me happy.
I'm ready to die.
Wait! But I have this thing at school that lets me just like take the shit off my card and put them on there.
Okay. Oh, I know that.
Yeah. I'll do that tomorrow at school and then just send them to you. Email them to you.
If there's school.
There better be damn school.
I hope not.
Well, I just want to see Brittany. That's only I was so excited to go to school today, but then there was course.
Fuck, I wasn't. I was gonna be there till 3.
That sucks.
I feel like I'm wearing a mask.
That's how I had to walk to school all the time. But I've had it closer so you wouldn't see my eyes, and it was pretty crazy.
I think Erica got ripped off.
Oh yeah, she got it for free.
Oh.
She said Tom just handed it to her when she was getting out of the car. I know, right? Yeah.
Who's this fucker?
I don't know, but he's some dumbass walking on the road.
The irony. I'll laugh like this.
The truck's still there.
I look like an emo ninja.
You do look like an emo ninja.